Okay, work song, I would play it in this position here. Here's an F, and it is on the 8th fret. And then slide up to that C. So that's your first two measures. F, first two measures. Here's the next two measures. And you go back to F. F, E flat, F. So here's your first line. Same as the first two measures. And now you're going to stay on you're going to use C here on the 10th fret with your third finger. And then you go to E natural, back to C. E flat, back to C, E flat, C, B flat, C. So here's the second line. I messed up. First two lines. Okay, now here's F, because there's F. Here's your third line. F, E flat. And there's B. Don't play that. I think I played that the first time. So F, E flat. And I just use my ring finger. And then you go back to B natural, which is here. You stay here like the beginning. Okay, so here's your third line. And then the last line, you have a B natural, which there's a B, here's a B, so you go up to B, C, B, C, and then you go back to F, and then you go to B flat, which is here. So you go B, C, F, B flat, B flat to F. So B, C, F, B flat to F. Last line. So you have B, C, F, go to the guy on the CD. I think he's going C7 to F minor. Step there at the end, and then your chording. I kind of use my fingers. You just want down strokes. Now you have F7. B-flat-7. So you have a B-flat-7, D-flat-7, C7, F minor.